Yo, what up, guys? It's your boy, Almighty Slime. Back again with another vlog, baby. Today I have no special activities to just spend the day with me. I really don't know what's gonna happen, but let's get it. Let's get it. I really wanna be consistent with the vlogging thing and the posting, content creation, but okay, we'll see. So it's currently what time? 4:40 a.m. So it's 20 to 5. Let's go. Let's get it, guys. I didn't even sleep, bro. Like I haven't even got like 5% sleep. None. I'm super tired. I don't know why, but yeah, my physique looks good though. Like look at me. But really, like let's continue the day. Yo, guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I really don't know. But man, we'll see how the day goes by. I'm trying to make the vlog long now. Like type shit. Sleeping alone. I don't have a girlfriend. Yeah, man. So like guys, I'm sure y'all be wondering, okay, a lot of y'all know me from back in primary school. Most of y'all know me from high school. People I grew up with and all that, right? So like I wanna tell you about who is Slime. So guys, my name, right? Okay, y'all know my name. Kaganipo, of course. Yeah, Kaganipo lang type shit. I'm about to do grade 11. As you can see by the emblem right here, about to do pre-matric level. So yeah. Okay, what else? What else? Oh, I live with my grandma. So yeah, guys, okay. The most important one is that I'm a musician, not a content creator, anything like that. And the main purpose of me making a YouTube channel is because I want to promote my music, but in a way that you guys can how can I say? That you guys can see my music, the creativity that's put in my music, and what can I say? Yeah, the creativity and day in the life, man, of Slime. Cause when I blow up, trust me, nigga, trust me, nigga. Yeah, man, we still grinding though. We're still grinding, still doing the shitty things. Yes, guys, I just realized something there. While I was shooting, I was looking at myself through the screen, not the camera. So now, my editor is gonna be mad because he said I must look at the camera and not the screen. So shit. Yo, what up again? It's your boy Almighty Slime back again. So guys, I wanted to vlog, but I don't have anything to do. So spend a day with me. I'm in snacks. So but fail, man. Let's see what we do. Let's see how we do it, man. really stressed about this one. This one is gonna be a short one. 1 minute in a vlog. Or should I yap? Once, ne? Yapping vlog. Okay. Did we yapping this whole vlog? Shout out. So yeah, guys. Let me go charge my phone first. It's on 2%. Remember, I didn't sleep. Didn't sleep at all. So yeah, let me charge my phone. Let's see how we go by the day. Yeah, big slam, drip check, man, drip check. The pajama level, you know, the hoodie level, the AMD1 t-shirt, you know. So guys, yeah, this goes. Big slime, man. Yo, guys, shout out to everybody that's supporting right now. We about to go big in a couple of months. Yeah, 2026. We putting in the work real hard. Yeah, man, shout out to everybody who's supporting right now. Even if the 6 subscribers, and yeah, guys, I'm still gonna drop some shit. The only way to grow the account is to post consistently, you know. So yeah, the vlogger today, nothing much, nothing too crazy. It's just a day in the life of slime, I guess. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, more content to come, more music content and shit like that. Big slime. Yeah. So I guess maybe that's the end of the vlog or what? Cause like guys, I don't have anything to do. So my activities today, what I did, okay, is wake up, eat, play FIFA and Y2K. Then I was done with the day, you know. Then I was done. So yeah, man. Big shout out to everybody who's watching the vlog. Please don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. Big slam.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Yeah, that's a cut.